Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's going on? Marcus Willpower here, Mr. Xauusd, and I'm back again with another weekend market analysis. Just gonna go through what happened on gold last week and the DXY, what we expect to happen this week. Yeah, just gonna be a quick one this week, as we didn't have much movement, a lot of consolidation through NFP, through CPI. So yeah, just gonna see what we have right now. So currently, looking at the DXY, we've been expecting the DXY to sell from this order block right here and as well the trend line. Basically, right now we're expecting the DXY to follow a bearish trend. If I just go to the higher time frame, you can see that we are in a bearish trend. So as for now, this is my view on the DXY. I want to see a break below this level and then a drop for me to confirm my bearish movement. Uh, a bearish movement on the DXY will signal more bullish movement on gold for me. However, if we break to this upside, there's a potential to reverse here and still continue bearish. Anything above this zone here is now bullish intent, and we'll be looking to buy. We'll be looking for bullish movement, anything above this zone here. But as for now, right now, what the market is giving us, with the current market information that we have, we're looking for a break below here and a continuation of bearish movement. If we go to gold, right, on gold right now, if we look at our trends and trends, let's start on the weekly. Actually, start on the monthly. On my monthly chart right now, we can see that I'm expecting a new higher high on the monthly chart. That means I'm bullish on gold for the long term. If we go into the weekly, on the weekly, you can see that we're in an uptrend here. So expecting a push up into here, some sort of movement like that. So weekly, I'm bullish. If you go to the daily, if we look in the daily right now, we are also in this smaller bullish trend. So this is what I call trends in trends. I think I've spoken about it before. We're experiencing this trend, current trend here, expecting a push up into here and further push to the upside. So on the daily, I am bullish on gold. Let's go down to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, we just broke, we were in this bullish flag pattern, counter trend. Now we broke out of the bullish flag pattern. We're waiting for maybe a retest and then a push above, right? So in terms of entries, what am I looking for in terms of entries here? What am I looking for in terms of entries? There are two types of entries that I'm looking for. The first entry type is a bullish flag pattern. So I'm looking for something along these lines, right? Yeah. So something like that, where I can clearly see consolidation or accumulation to the downside, and then an entry. So that's the first type of entry that I'll be looking for on gold. Secondly, the second type of entry I will look for here, if not a bullish flag pattern, I will look for a retest of this trend line and then a further push. Those are the two entries I can look for. Swiftly moving on to my price action strategy. What is it telling me on the H1? On the H1, you can see that we clearly broke market structure, so we changed character. So if it's a change of character, I'm looking for uh, a retracement into one of these three zones. then a push. That's all I'm looking for right now. A retracement into one of these three zones and a push above. So currently, that's my view on gold. The past week has been hectic. This whole period here was hectic for me, hectic for a lot of traders because the market was just sideways on the DXY, and also here was just a mess. When NFP happened and CPI, it was just a mess. Breaking of market structure, liquidity grabs on both sides, manipulation. But currently, price was held by our hidden base here. It held price here for the first time. So the hidden base is when these two candles are almost kissing. And then if you look on the other side, the hidden base was still holding and held price. Managed to get a change in market structure, change of character. Looking now for a drop into one of these three zones and then a bullish movement. So yeah, that's my view on gold right now, and I'm bullish, waiting for these entries next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we'll see what we have. Yeah, just a quick one for me, Mr. Xauusd, Marcus Power here, and hopefully this coming week we can secure some profits and hold gold for the longs. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy. If you got any questions or anything you wanna say, just say it in the comment box, and I'll reply. So yeah, take care. Enjoy the trading week. Let's go. Oh, actually, no, before I go, I need to check the news. Sorry about that. Let's just look at the news. The sentiment, we always want to be with the minority, and the minority right now, 33% are long. So we're happy being long. We're happy being long. The shorts, 67%, that's the majority. We always want to trade in line with the minority. Looking at the news, okay, so 3:30 on Tuesday, we look to find a position around 3:30 or after 3:30 and look to see what happens around this news. We can get our entry on Tuesday, Wednesdays, or Thursdays, and we'll see what's up. Other than that, yeah, let's keep going. Last week was tough. Last 2 weeks, first weeks of January have been tough. Psychologically, market has been sideways, manipulation, liquidity grabs. But it is what it is. We just have to survive. I've just been trying to survive this this market. I've been entering trades. I did enter. I got stopped out. Uh, so yeah, it's a learning curve. But the main point as a forex trader, as a financial analyst, is to always just survive. Make sure you survive through the rough patches, and wait until the market conditions support your edge. And that's what I've been just waiting to do. Hopefully, the coming 2 weeks, we can now start to see a trending market and start to enter positions. But yeah, that's all for me. Take care.